Who's talking? Okay. All right, everybody. Here it is. We're still with Aiden, Dad, and Mom. Aiden's going to unbox some more great troll stuff. This is DreamWorks Trolls World Tour. Poppy.
This is the action figure set.
Action figure set. Okay. This is DreamWorks Trolls World Tour action figure set. And this is Poppy, right, buddy?
Yeah.
What does that say up there? Poppy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's the front.
And then back. I thought I just heard somebody at the door. Daddy check. Oh.
Okay.
Look at that.
And it comes with the instruction booklet. Next
right,
we have Branch.
Alright. And it's still DreamWorks Trolls World Tour action figure set, right, buddy?
Yeah. Here's the front.
And the back. What do you say we open him up?
Good idea.
Get him out of his cage. All caged up. Yeah.
There.
Look at that. There's Branch. What's that little thing that comes with him? Little booklet.
Yeah.
Alright, here we have DreamWorks Trolls World Tour and Cooper. Front and the back.
Hey, Addie, could you be quiet?
She'll be quiet now, but yes.
Can you please be quiet, Addie? No swearing.
No swearing. No swearing.
Let's see.
There's the instruction booklet.
Wow, he's cool. I'm gonna stand him up.
Yeah.
There you go.
And then we have Barb.
Queen Barb.
Yeah.
DreamWorks Trolls World Tour action figure set. And here is Queen Barb. We have the front and the back. Aiden's got it open already. Comes with the instruction booklet. And she's going to stand up for us, huh? You think? Think she can? Oh, yeah. How about Prance? How about Poppy and Branch?
Yeah.
There. Stand Branch up. Awesome. Branch must be tired. Huh?
Yeah.